Hey YouTube, Bubba here. In today's video, we're going to be installing Traxxas 7817 roof skid plate to my Traxxas X-maxx, and also super gluing a tire that keeps popping off the bead, so let's get into it. So here I am unboxing it and trying to put it on the roof and see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So now let's get into installing it. The next thing you're going to want to do is drill pilot holes through your body with a 1/8 drill bit. After you've drilled the holes from the bottom of your body, you're going to want to use your same 1/8 drill bit to drill through the top of the body. Then after you're done using your 1/8 drill bit, you're going to want to use your 1/4 drill bit to make the holes a little bit bigger so the roof skid plate can fit on your body easier and plop on the roof easier too. Right here is what I mean by the roof plopping into your body easier, because you made those holes bigger, the roof can fit easier. Then once you're done with putting your roof on your body, you're going to want to start tightening your 3x15 millimeter cap screws that come when you buy the roof skid plate. Then once you're done tightening the screws, you're done installing the roof guard and you can put your body back on your truck. Now let's get to super gluing my tire. So here we had already taken off the lock heads, so we're just pulling off the tire to super glue. Right here I'm unboxing Hobbytown RC super glue that we got from our hobby store to use for super gluing my tire. So here we are super gluing my tire. Make sure to clean your bead before you start putting super glue on it, so the super glue can stick easier. But yeah, we started super gluing it and then we were trying to make it look good so there wasn't any residue left. Here's what the final product looks like. Thanks you guys for watching today's adventure, and I'll catch you on the next RC video. Bye.